Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block contacts on Imo. First of all, you can open the Imo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply now tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen, and here you will just simply search for the friend name that you want to block. I can block this content, so now I can tap on this, and after this you can now tap on the name at the top left side of the screen, and here now you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now here you will just simply scroll down and you will see the option block at very last, and now you can tap on yes, and this is the way you can block contacts on Imo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.